Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Lovers. Friends, today I am going to take a poem First Love by the poet John Clare. Friends, John Clare is a 20th century English poet. He is also called as farmer's poet, peasant's poet. He has written a very beautiful poem First Love. The poem is about the man who has fallen in love for the first time, and it's his love at first sight. It's not a happy kind of feeling that the lover has or the speaker has. Rather, he has a very painful feeling in the love. So what happens exactly with that speaker who has fallen in love? His love is unrequited love, that is unresponded love. Okay, so it's not two-way, it's only from his side that he loves the woman and the woman has not responded him positively. So friends, we will see few multiple choice questions based on this poem. The first question is, John Clare is called as. जॉन क्लेयर को कैसा पोएट कहा जाता है, वो कैसे कवि है? ऑप्शंस आर द नेचर पोएट, द पीजेंट पोएट, द कोर्ट पोएट, द वॉर पोएट. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज द पीजेंट पोएट. यहाँ पीजेंट मीन्स फार्मर. John Clare was the son of a farm laborer and he has written very beautifully about village life. Okay, so he is also and farm life. So he is called as the peasant poet. Question number 2. John Clare has written about dash. Options are English countryside, English city life, Christianity, or English politics. So John Clare has written about. John Clare ने English countryside के बारे में, यानी कि English village life, इंग्लैंड में जो विलेजेस है, विलेजेस का लाइफ कैसा है, वहां के फार्मर्स का लाइफ कैसा है, उनके बारे में जॉन क्लेयर ने उनकी पोएट्री में लिखा है. सो ही हैज रिटन अबाउट इंग्लिश कंट्रीसाइड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्पीकर इन द पोएम वाज स्ट्रक बाय. नाउ दिस इज डायरेक्टली एज इट इज वर्ड, दैट इज स्ट्रक. स्ट्रक ये जो वर्ड है ये पोएम में ऐसे ही यूज किया गया है. सो द स्पीकर इन द पोएम वाज स्ट्रक बाय. ऑप्शंस आर लाइटनिंग, a wall, an arrow, or love. So the speaker in the poem was struck by love. So struck by love means love at first sight. Next question, what does the word struck indicate in the poem? Options are to hit something, sudden arousal of feelings, fall down, या फिर drop. So the correct answer is struck means sudden arousal of feeling. So it's just love at first sight. It's love at first sight, so it is called as sudden arousal of feeling. Next question, the speaker compares his beloved's face with. ये जो speaker है, जो कि hopelessly in love with the woman है, तो ये compare करते हैं उनकी जो beloved है उसका face, उसका चेहरा वो compare करते हैं. किससे compare करते हैं? A moon, a rose, a flower, or a star. So the speaker compares his beloved's face with a flower. Okay. Next question, what is not the effect of love on the speaker? Options are, he has got inspiration from love, his face has become deadly pale, he could not walk and see, the blood rushed to his face. Okay, तो इस पोएम में ये जो स्पीकर है जिनको प्यार होता है, इनकी कंडीशन एग्जैक्टली कैसे होती है, प्यार का असर इन पर क्या होता है, ऐसे दिया है. तो ये जो चार ऑप्शंस है, क्वेश्चन ऐसा है कि उन पर क्या असर नहीं होता. तो ऑप्शंस बी सी डी जो है वो असर जो होता है उसके बारे में ऑप्शन है. जैसे कि his face has become deadly pale, yes, this is the effect. He could not walk and see, वो चल नहीं सकते, देख नहीं सकते, ये भी एक इफेक्ट है, असर है. The blood rushed to his face, ये भी एक असर है. लेकिन क्या असर नहीं होता? He has got inspiration from love, ये असर नहीं होता. Next question, why does the speaker feel that his love is like winter? ऐसा स्पीकर को क्यों लगता है कि उनका प्यार विंटर जैसा है, विंटर सीजन जैसा है? तो यहाँ जो एनालॉजी है, कंपैरिजन है, वो थोड़ा समझने जैसा है कि विंटर जो होता है, विंटर में स्नोफॉल होता है और ड्यू टू द स्नोफॉल कुछ फ्लावर्स वगैरह ब्लूम नहीं होते। तो विंटर को एक निगेटिव तरीके से लिया है, जैसे कि ये स्पीकर का जो प्यार है वो अनरिस्पॉन्डेड लव है, अनरिक्वाइटेड लव है, इट्स वन साइडेड लव। सो विंटर में ज्यादा कुछ होता नहीं, फ्लावर्स ब्लूम वगैरह नहीं होते। तो यहाँ ऑप्शन से बिकॉज ही एंड हिज बिलवेड लाइक विंटर सीजन, नो नॉट लाइक दैट। बिकॉज स्नो फॉल्स इन विंटर, नॉट एग्जैक्टली। Option C, because his love remains frozen. That is, frozen means unresponded and unrequited. Again, not two-way kind of love, only one-sided, as she does not respond. So C option is the correct. Question number 8. What is the tone of the poem? Options are A, optimistic, B, pessimistic, C, a mix of optimism and pessimism, and D, can't say. Right from the beginning in the poem, the tone of the poem is pessimistic. There is no hope anywhere on part of the speaker to improve his condition. Okay, so there is only pain, P-A-I-N, there is only misery and sorrow due to the love. So the tone of the poem throughout is optimistic. Even ending is optimistic because the poet says that the speaker finds out that his heart will return no more, it has left its dwelling place. What had stolen away the speaker's heart? Options are his beloved's personality, his beloved's behavior, his beloved's thoughts, या फिर his beloved's face. तो वो जो स्पीकर है वो उनकी बिलेवेड का फेस देख के ही उनको प्यार हो जाता है, लव एट फर्स्ट साइट. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. Question number 10. What does the word they in the line they spoke as chords do from the string stand for? एक line है poem में, they spoke as chords do from the string. तो exactly इसका they, ये जो line शुरू होती है word से they, तो इसका meaning क्या है? Options are people, songs, words, music. So इस line में they use किया गया है words के लिए. Words spoke as chords do from the string. Next question. What kind of love the poet talks about in the poem? एक कैसा प्यार है जो जिसके बारे में कवि इस पोएम में हमें बताते हैं? Is it platonic love? Is it love at first sight? Is it natural love? Is it physical love? Okay, so definitely it's love at first sight. Next question. What feeling does the speaker go through in love? तो इस पोएम में जो स्पीकर है एग्जैक्टली उनकी फीलिंग क्या है? वो प्यार में है तो उनकी फीलिंग क्या है? इज इट अ फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस? नो, नॉट डेफिनेटली. इज इट अ फीलिंग ऑफ जेलसी? नो. इज इट अ फीलिंग ऑफ पेन? यस, इट इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ पेन बिकॉज थ्रू आउट द पोएम ही feels very painful, and also it is not feeling of fulfillment. Next question. What is the meaning of the line and stole my heart away complete? एक पोएम में लाइन है and stole my heart away complete. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Options are his heart has been stolen, his heart has been broken, his heart has been operated, या फिर he is completely in love with somebody. So definitely, though it is unrequited love, this line and stole my heart away complete, it means he is completely in love with somebody. Okay. Question number 14. Which is not the theme of the poem? इस पोएम की थीम क्या नहीं है? तो options, 3 options are about the theme of the poem and one is not the theme of the poem. Options are first love and the pain of it means love. B, impact of love at first sight. C, the joy of love. And D, unrequited love. So definitely options A, B, D are about the theme of the poem and C is not the theme of the poem. And the last question, which figure of speech is used in the line, her face it bloomed like a sweet flower? So ये एक लाइन है पोएम में, तो इसमें कौन सा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यूज किया गया है? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ऑप्शंस आर मेटाफर, सिमिली, हाइपरबोल, एलिटरेशन. सो डेफिनेटली इट इज a simile. It is an example of simile. Why simile? Because there is a word like, and there is comparison between face and flower. So her face is compared with a flower, and when there is comparison by using words like or as, we say that it is an example of simile. So friends, आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कीजिए, और अगर आप नए हैं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।